Because your voice consists of muscles, we need to make sure that we are practicing consistently to keep them in shape, just like any other muscle in your body. If you are super consistent by going to the gym, every day or 3 times a week or 4 times a week or whatever that looks like to you for a couple months, and then you go on vacation for 2 weeks and then you come back and the first time back at the gym, you're like, oh my God, everything is so sore. That's because your muscles got used to not doing anything. It's the same thing for singing. Now, that doesn't mean you're never allowed to take a break. Of course you are allowed to take a break. When you're sick, you should take a break. You shouldn't be singing when you're feeling sick if you can at all avoid it. And, sometimes it's good to just take a break and do something else for a week or 2 and then get back to it. But in case you would like to stay in shape while traveling, just like I am currently doing, I am currently visiting beautiful Mauritius. We're having a great time here, and I wanted to make sure that I can keep my voice in shape. So I created an exercise to help me do just that, and that's exactly what we're gonna look at together today. Hey singers, it's Lara from VoxTape Studios, an online singing studio where we help singers develop their vocal skills, develop their ears so that they can hear what sets these amazing and pro singers apart from more amateur singers, and artistry so that they can freely and truly express themselves through their singing. When I'm traveling, usually, I'm not gonna lie, I like to just turn off completely and not sing much. But sometimes, like this trip, when I'm traveling for longer, I'm gone for more than 2 weeks, I wanna make sure that I can do a little something to maintain my voice. I'm not necessarily doing vocal exercises that help me further improve my vocal skill set while traveling, but I like to do something that helps me maintain my current skill set so that by the time I get back to my home studio, back to teaching voice lessons and back to, working on my own voice, I wanna make sure that I'm not, starting in a place where it's like, darn it, now I need to practice for 2 weeks just to get back to my level where I was at before, and then I can continue. So I like to maintain my vocal skill set when I'm traveling for longer periods of time. What do I need to focus on when I'm working on just maintaining my current skill? A couple things that I really like to do. First is use my entire range. A lot of times when we're not singing a lot or not singing at all, we're really limited to a very small vocal range in our speaking and our everyday life. So when we sing, we usually, go a little bit further and we use a larger area of our range. So what I like to do in my maintenance is explore more of my range so that I can keep my voice in shape that way. I can stretch it all the way up to the high notes and to the low notes as well. So the exercise that we're going to look at today features quite a bit of range. Another thing is SOVT exercises. These are semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, just something that helps me ease into singing that's not too harsh, a way that I can use my voice as efficiently as possible and not start blowing out my voice by doing too much. I stay away from belting and extreme singing like that, so I prefer doing SOVT. And lastly, I want to explore my vowels as well, just to make sure that all these vowels are coming out correctly and effortlessly, and I'm not feeling like I'm favoring one vowel over the other more than normal. We always favor one over the other depending on what we're singing. It's easier to sing e's than ahs or vice versa, but I just want to make sure that I'm not getting too comfortable with one vowel and completely forget the other ones as well. So in my vocal maintenance training, if we want to call it that, I like to make sure that I'm using and incorporating all of the 5 basic vowels: a, e, o, and u. Today's exercise is featuring those 3 things: range, vocal range, SOVT sounds, as well as all 5 basic vowels. Because I'm on this beautiful tropical island, I wanted to use a song for my pop song exercise that gives me these tropical, beachy, vacation-y vibes. So I used 3 Little Birds by Bob Marley. Let's have a look at how the exercise goes. This is the SOVT part of this exercise. Z, like zebra. Lingering on that Z sound helps me to, use my voice more efficiently. Everything gonna be alright. Now here, I wanna make sure that I can keep my voice nice and smooth, that I'm not pushing for these top notes. Again, I'm maintaining my voice. I'm not necessarily working on belting here. So try and keep your voice and your volume even as you go up in pitch. Wah, weh, wee, wah, woo. There we have our vowels, just with a W sound, the W sound in front of it, to ease into it a little bit more easily than just going ah, eh, oh. We're gonna take this exercise up, 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 up into the higher range of our voice as well. If at any point it's getting too high for you, just pause and let the video play, because we're going to turn back around, but you just stop singing because I don't want you to strain. Okay, again, this is not for vocal improvement, this is just for vocal maintenance, so don't over push your voice here. Just take a break and wait till it turns back around and come back in when it feels a little bit more comfortable for you. Okay, no pushing, no straining. In case you are traveling like me and you don't want to be too loud, you don't want to disturb any neighbors in your home, or you don't want to disturb the people in the next room at your hotel, check out this video right here where I show you how you can practice without being super loud. Alrighty, let's do the entire exercise together now. Now when you're going up in pitch here, make sure you're not pushing, you're not straining, okay? Just pause if it is too high for you, no problem. Use the W sound here to get those vowels out a little bit more easily. Nice. Now keep the breath flow nice and even here on those z's, so that it's coming out beautifully and evenly as well. How did it feel? Were you able to get through it nicely without any straining, without any pushing? Again, remember, this is for vocal maintenance, not for vocal improvement. So this exercise should feel nice and easy on your voice while still getting that stretch going and using these SOVT sounds and getting used to these vowels so that, like I said, you can maintain your vocal skills while you are, taking a break from your singing, but you don't want to completely not do anything because that will make you feel guilty, or you're traveling, or whatever it is you're doing. I hope this exercise was as fun for you as it was for me. It definitely gives me good vibes, but that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you liked the change in scenery here in beautiful Mauritius. If you ever get the chance to visit, highly recommend. They have beautiful beaches here, and I am very much a beach girl. Alrighty, time for me to go back to the beach. I will see you in the next video. Bye.